Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, and today again I am here to discuss some programming in C using loop structure and nested loop structure. In this video, we will discuss about the program to generate half pyramid of numbers for n rows, and the second program we will discuss about to generate half pyramid of alphabet for n rows. Now we will discuss about the program that is write a C program to generate half pyramid of numbers for n rows. As you can see in this picture, that is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is a half pyramid of numbers for 5 rows. So to generate half pyramid of numbers for n rows, this is our program. First we have to write, that is hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file. Then int main, that is a main function. In the main function, I have at first taken three integer variables, that is I, j and rows. Then I have given a message that is enter the number of rows through the printf function, and through scanf function user will give the number of rows through the variable rows. So %d and %rows is given here in the scanf function. Now in the for loop, I equal to 1, I less equal to rows plus plus I. Within this for loop, again a for loop will be executed here, that is for j equal to 1, j less equal to I plus plus j. Within this j will be go to the limit of I. Within this for loop, the statement will be here, that is printf j. J will be printed here. And after that, the next new line will be printed through the printf function, and at last returns 0. So this is our program to generate the half pyramid of number for n rows, where n should be given by the users. N number should be given through the user. Now I am compiling this program. So compiled program is compiled. Now I am running this program. So here the message, that is enter the number of rows. I am giving here 10 rows. So for 10 rows, the half pyramid will be like that: 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows are here. For 10 rows, the half pyramid of numbers will be like that. Now we will discuss about the second program, that is write a C program to generate half pyramid of alphabets for n rows. Here you can see in this picture, that is A, B, B, C, C, C. So this is a pyramid for the alphabets of 5 rows. This is an example. So to generate half pyramid of alphabets for n rows, first we have to write hash include stdio.h int main, that is a main function. In main function, we have to take two variables, integer variables, that is I and j for the for loops. You know that. Next, I have taken two character inputs, character variables, that is char input and alphabet. And alphabet character is initialized with the value A, capital A. Then I have given a message that is enter an uppercase character you want to print in the last row. So the limit will be given here, which will be a character value. So input variable, through the input variable, the value will be taken here. As it is a character, so here is given %C. Through the scanf function, the input will be taken here. Next, through the for loop, I equal to 1, I less equal to input minus A plus 1. So the input will be taken here, input which the user will give here, that minus A plus 1. The limit should be like that. After that, plus plus I. Within this for loop, again a for loop will be executed here for j, that is j equal to 1, j less equal to I, then plus plus j. Within this, alphabet should be printed or displayed here. After that, plus plus alphabet, that is pre-incremented the alphabet, the value of the alphabet, variable alphabet. After that, the new line should be displayed here. And at last, the return 0. So here is our program for generating the half pyramid of alphabet for n rows, where n should be given by the user. Now I am compiling this program. So the program is compiled. Now I am executing this. So here is our message, that is enter an uppercase character you want to print in the last row. Suppose you want to print up to Z. So I have given the limit Z. The last row will be for Z. So here you can see the output, that is A, B, C, D up to Z. The last row is for Z. So here is our program for generating the half pyramid of alphabets for n rows. Hope by this video you can understand the important programs using loops. Thank you for watching this video. For watching more programs on loops, don't forget to subscribe my channel.